Hi, this is Jerry Lombardo at MarketOne International. We're excited today to show you our new Easy Form. The MarketOne Easy Form allows marketers to go onto a web page and quickly and easily configure a landing page for their event. We're going to show you how you can do this form. It takes about 2 minutes, and at the end you're going to have a branded web page form ready to take registrations for your event. We will start by filling in the event name. It's a free text field. You can call your event whatever you'd like. Next, the event marketer will enter the event date. And if it's a multiple day event, you can enter the end date as well. The next field has to do with how our clients run the registration process. Many of our clients will allow registrations the day before the event, and then on the event, they're closed to further registrations. However, some of our clients will allow registrations on the day of the event. So this form allows the marketer to configure that as they set up their event. Lastly, sometimes an event manager might want to allow reps only up to 2 days before the event. Maybe they need to print up badges or complete orders for foods. In which case, they can set this to allow registrations up to 2 days before the event only. The next field allows the marketer to enter the time that the event is being held. This is a free text field, so you can use AM and PM and GMT or whatever other designations that you need to specify the time range. Next is a description. The description field allows you to briefly describe your event. Many events are held at physical locations. Here you can name that physical location and enter the address, or if it's a webinar or other online event, you can simply put online here. The next field allows the marketer to set the capacity for the event. Many events want to be closed when they reach their capacity, and that's the default for this application. But perhaps you want to have a wait list. If you do, you can select yes, and that will allow people to continue to enter their names into the form even after the capacity has been reached. The Easy Form comes with functionality that allows the marketer to return so they can see who's registered and who's on their wait list. This field allows the marketer to come back and adjust the event status. Active events are events that are still taking registrations, but maybe for some reason they want to close their event or they want to manually mark it as full or canceled. This is where the marketing manager would do that. Lastly, many companies have different looks and feels for their different landing pages. Maybe a set of landing pages for on the road shows and one for online events. Or maybe they have templates set up for each of their industries that they specialize in or each of their product sets. This allows the marketer, as they complete their form, to select what from a number of preloaded templates they want to use for this particular form. In this case, we've selected, of course, the MarketOne look and feel. The next section allows the marketer to enter custom questions. Sometimes marketers want to know a little bit more than just the name and address of the people that they're taking registrations on. So what this does is allows us to ask extra questions. Now those extra questions usually come in a variety of formats. Maybe you want to ask a yes or no question. So you can select a yes or no question and enter the question here. Maybe though you want just a free text question. So here you can answer or ask a question that would be filled in by a free text answer, like what is the name of your guest? Finally, sometimes marketers want to have their guests select from a series of drop-down options. So we've added functionality that allows one of your extra questions to have drop-down values. In this case, we're going to ask the question, what would you like for dinner? And we're going to enter the standard options, chicken, beef, or fish. The marketer can then quickly take a look to make sure that the options are going to be displayed as he or she wants them to be displayed. We've now reached the end of the form. We've entered all the data that we need to create the web page. We've selected the template. When we push this button, we're going to create the form. The exciting thing about the MarketOne Easy Form is that it comes pre-integrated to Eloqua, so that once we take those registrations, we can send them into Eloqua for email communications around your event, confirmation emails, thank you emails, reminder emails, and so on. But you don't have to be an Eloqua client to enjoy this benefit. The registration details can be delivered to a variety of email clients for email communications around your event date. Once you're done, you simply press the button, and now we can show you what your form is going to look like. In this case, you see the MarketOne branding, but in your case, it would represent the branding that your company has preloaded into the application and the specific template that your marketing manager has selected as they completed their form. This application comes with a lot of exciting reporting that allows the marketer to return to this web application to see who's registered for their events, who's on their wait list, which events are still open. And in a subsequent video, we're going to show you how all that reporting looks. Thank you for your time today.